Hey guys, welcome back to my shop. Tonight I'm going to teach you how to make a really simple hand sanding fixture. This jig that I'm going to show you how to make greatly reduces fatigue in your thumb muscles and your wrists when you're hand sanding out your knives. I made one of these before I made my last video, and I wanted to use it a couple times before I really showed it. Now I've fallen in love with it, so I'm going to show you how I did it. You've probably got these materials already laying around your house. Let's jump right in. The main part of the build is going to be a old file. You can use a wider one, skinny one. I personally like about this size right here because I do a lot of smaller knives. You definitely, if you've got an old dead file, that's best. And you think about how much handle you want to stick out there. I'm going to leave roughly 3 inches on one side, my standard strip of paper. Let's go 3 inches on the other side. So we'll just cut it off right there with the angle grinder, and then we're going to duplicate this tang on this side right here. So you know let's call that 1 7/8 inches. Let's go 1 7/8 inches right there. I'm going to duplicate that tang. Nothing crazy. This is kind of a neat idea. If you drop the table with your drill press at its lowest point, it kind of gives you a height gauge for how deep your drill bit will go into your material. Let's see, I want to see the top flight on the side. So I'll go ahead and orient the golf ball like so, and give myself a hole. Apparently did not get that tight enough. Oh, this one's a different color. Alright guys, so this is one of those builds that literally takes maybe 10 minutes to do the entire thing from start to finish, and then you wonder after you're done, after you use it, and you realize how incredible it is, why you didn't do this 5 years ago. So, please watch the video and then make yours. Don't wait. Make your piece, put your 2 golf balls on it, hammer it together. You don't need epoxy or anything, these things are on there, okay? Let's go ahead and put it to use right now. Alright, so you guys are already familiar with my hand sanding sled. So we're set up. Here's our new tool. Wrap our paper around it like so. The balls fit in the palms of your hands just perfectly. Let's go ahead and rip this so you can see. And then you can just go to work with absolute precision. See how I measured that out to where my hands fit perfectly. So I could just reach over, and it doesn't take much. I can even just hold it with one finger. And now that I've got these balls to hold on to, it's really easy to maneuver. You know, I can just use my thumbs to hold the paper in place. Piece of cake. And there's very little fatigue. Right here where you would normally get fatigue from holding your paper or, you know, fiddling around, you get none of that with these golf balls on here. So you can put good pressure down on the golf balls and then just steady your paper. And this makes life so much easier. It is awesome. I love this. So go ahead, build yours. I want to see it. Leave me a comment if you have one, or if you've made one, or if you use one like it, and let me know what you think. Thanks, guys.